3 versus 1, pistol only edition. Hi guys, this is Spray. Last night, I was doing a pistol only game in TV station Lockdown. I just
May
recently
papunta
watched
dito sa
John
akin,
Wick
pre.
movies again, so I want to try a pistol only game and see what I
Mga
can
tao
do
yan.
with it. Everyone knows how cramped TV
And they're
station
coming
is,
this
and
way.
almost all the spawn
Very
points
nice.
are near to one another. So this map is my ideal John Wick pistol only challenge. Watch till the end. What challenge should I
I
do
don't know where
next?
they are now.
Comment down below.
What the heck? Killed 2. Very nice. Yep. Okay, ang dalawa. Killed 2. Panis, bre. Bra. Is that all? Hey! Putang ina mo. Nagulat ako sa'yo, hayop. Ano, 10 second lang. Holy shit.